Hi everyone, let's have a look at some things I've got out for us today. I've just brought my counters and I've put them, they come individually, and I've put them on top of one another like that to make two in a group. Okay, so the first one, I've got two in a group here, so I've got two. Then I've taken another two and grouped them together. And I've done the same for the rest. Some pink ones and some white ones and blue and purple, and I've got grey and black as well. And I've got red. And I've got brown. Wow. Right, so there I have all my little counters that I've put two on top of one another like that. So first, what I want us to do is count in twos together until I say stop. Okay, let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Right, well done. Now, it's such a beautiful autumn day that I thought that it's just too gorgeous not to be outside today. So here I've got two, so let's count 2 and another 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, I'm going to put the other ones aside for now. Right, let's count again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If I wanted to count in ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, if I put them a little bit apart from each other like this, how many groups of 2 do I have? So these two counters here, this is one group. So how many groups do I have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 groups of 2. And how many individual little counters are there? So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that means that 5 groups of 2 make 10. Now, with my whiteboard, how will I represent that here? So I've got 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So I can say 2 plus 2. Okay, so that's the red one. 2 plus the pink one. That's another 2. Plus the blue ones. Plus another 2. And the purple. And the green. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that gives me 10 counters. So 5 groups. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2 in each group, which makes 10. All right, brilliant. Let's have a look if I add some more now. Oh, there's a bumblebee. Bye-bye, bumblebee. Now let's add some more. So here I've got my 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's add some more groups of 2. There we go. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to put them here so you can see better. Right, so I've got how many groups of 2 now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 2. So now, if there's 9 groups of 2, that means 2 plus 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 2 to get how many individual little counters there are together. So, once again, if I take my board, and now I need to make a sum. So all of these together. So we've got the pink one, 2 plus the red ones, plus the black ones, plus the green ones, plus the white ones, plus the purple, plus the brown, the blue, and the grey. How many groups of 2 should it be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 2. So if we count in 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 counters I've got here. Now, can you imagine, I'm going to run out of space soon on this whiteboard if I've got to make a 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 sum that carries on forever. For example, what happens if I had 21 groups of 2? Oh my goodness, I don't even think I've got enough counters for that. So what can we do to make our sum or make our life easier? If we've got our groups and I'm counting in 2s, this is repeated addition. So I'm repeating the same number and I'm adding. But what is the same as repeated addition is something beautiful called multiplication, timesing. And what we can do instead of all those 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2s is I can make a multiplication sum. So the timesing, okay? Times. So how many groups of 2 did I have here? There were 9 groups of 2. So I had 9 times, how many in each group? 2. 9 times 2. 9 groups of 2. And that gave me the answer of 18. So 9 groups of 2. What do you notice about the 9 and the 18? Double 9 is 18. So timesing by 2 is very, very special. Timesing by 2 is the same as, I hope you said it out loud, it's the same as doubling. So if I had, at the beginning I had 5 groups of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 groups of 2 make 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. Or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The same if I add one more. Alright? What do I have now? I've got 6 groups of 2. So how would I write 6 groups of 2? Instead of saying 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, instead of writing that repeated addition sum, I can write a multiplication sum. So I can say, what times 2? How many groups? 6. Okay, this Koki doesn't work too well. 6 groups of 2. Okay, equals what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Alright, so what's special about 6 and 12? Double 6 is 12. So remember, when we're timesing by 2, it's the same as doubling. Okay, so whenever you've got groups of 2, remember it's timesing by 2. So repeated addition, I'm repeating these little blocks of 2 however many times you've got. So that's 7 groups of 2 now. What's 7 groups of 2? Double 7, 14. 8 groups of 2, 16. Just like our counting. So it's very important that you know your counting for your times tables. So if I say to you, what would 10 times 2 be? Then you should know in your mind that if I've got 10, so 10 fingers, let's count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Double 10 is 20. The same like this. 7, 8, 9, 10. The same. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I encourage you with your worksheets, if you get stuck, to use some counters or Lego pieces or crayons or counters like this if you've got at home, or little blocks or anything to help you. Okay, so repeated addition, is the same as multiplication, and we're focusing on timesing by 2, which is doubling. Bye!